3, 2, 1.
Reason number 1, we have awesome oscillator divergence setup. When awesome oscillator divergent, price will make a reversal or pullback. The next reason is H1 time frame, we have extreme setup. What is the extreme setup here? If you carefully check this chart, you can see moving average 5 successfully crossed over top BB. It is an early sign of reversal or pullback. My target take profit area moving average 510 low. Now I am plotting loss. Let's see what will happen to this setup.
A few moments later.
Market reacted to our setup nicely. Price is now in mid BB. At the same time, left side rally base rally. My profit is 100% and time to take it. Nobody save you. Get up, you own your own hero.